They took me to a club in Orlando called Savoy Nightclub, okay?
I got a trick to go in there as well.
Mr. President, that was no trick. You knew what you were doing. I didn't know I was gonna be there. The gays are good people. They're good people.
So fun.
So much fun. So good. Okay, so you know what I'm talking about. Okay. I think I saw you there that night. We were there on the same night. Oh my gosh.
They have activities.
Don't say any more. Stop. Don't. You came in here with a date. You're gonna go home single, sir. Don't do it. How progressive are you, ma'am?
I'm not claiming this.
Oh my gosh. You guys ever tried a little black dude in your situation? You ever put some Hershey syrup in your coffee? I don't know. Like, what are we doing tonight?